Let's suppose we're building a shopping cart, and as we're adding items to the cart, we want to display an update of the count of the number of items in the cart. The Firefly Semantics Entity Store has a built-in count observable that we can use for this purpose, and that is what we're going to be demoing next. All right, so here we are on Stackblitz, and we're going to do this demo in a pure TypeScript environment. So let's go ahead and create that. Dependencies, and we'll pull in Firefly Semantics Slice. And of course, we need to add our pair dependencies. All right, the first thing we're going to do is import an entity store or eStore from Firefly Semantics Slice, like that. And then we'll create a product interface for the items that we're going to be storing. So we're just going to do properties name and string. We have also created two product objects right here that we're going to use to display the updating of the count. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a cart, and it's going to be of type eStore with generic type product, and we need to create an instance. So we say new eStore product, and that's that. We want to know the count of the number of items in our cart. So let's go ahead and subscribe to the counts. We'll say cart.count, and this gives us the observable, and then we'll go ahead and subscribe. And we'll have count, and we'll console log this count. So we'll say console.log count. And we can see that right away, it logged 0, which is the initial count. Okay, let's go ahead and add a few items to the store. So we'll go ahead and add product 1, like that. And now we see that there's one item in the store. Let's go ahead and add the second one. And now we see that there are 2 items. So that's how we can go ahead and use the count observable on our store to get a count of the number of items in the store. I hope you enjoyed this brief guide, and we will see you in the next one.